Very good evening, everyone. So let's start with our income tax portion. We all know, we all know that this taxation paper is of 100 marks. And out of these 100 marks, we have income tax that is for 50, and again GST that is for 50 marks. And in this 50 marks, we have 30% MCQs. So 15 marks MCQs would be from here, 15 marks MCQs would be from here. 35 would be descriptive. But if I tell you that these MCQs are not like that, it's just one word. Although it's one word, but it needs a conceptual clarity. And income tax is one of my favorite subject. And for students also who actually learn from me, it becomes their favorite also, income tax. Because it is such interesting subject. I understand it is quite vast enough. It is little bit vast, but it's not at all difficult. Everything has a logic. Everything has a logic behind it. And you will see that so much of practical sense also. You will see that around you, you will be able to apply that income tax for your parents, for your father, for your mother's business, or even if they are working somewhere as a salaried employee, you will be able to calculate the tax also for your relatives. So it is very, very interesting subject. But no doubt it is little big. It's voluminous. But you don't have to be afraid, guys. The thing is that in income tax, the constant practice is required. So if you are practicing with me daily, I would highly recommend, if you can able to attend the live classes, please do attend the live classes. In case you are not able to, then recorded is the second option. Those students who are not able to attend the live classes, then it is a second alternative. But if you are able, if you can manage somehow to attend all the live classes, it is nothing like that, right? Okay. Now let us start with the income tax. See, we all know what is a tax. So this, I don't have to tell you that what is a tax. Tax is a revenue for the government. Why? Because government would like to, guys, anytime my video gets stuck or my screen gets stuck, please do let me know, right? And anywhere you have question, please, you can just unmute and ask me directly. Anywhere you have question, just unmute yourself and ask me, right? Okay. So I don't have to tell you what is tax. Tax, we all know it's a revenue to the government. Government collects this taxes. Why? Because government needs money to run the economy, to develop the infrastructure, to provide education to the people, to provide health services to the people. There are various things for defense purposes. Government needs revenue. So government has one of the major revenue sources, taxes. And we all know there are two types of taxes, direct and indirect, right? Although I know that you know it, but still please write it. And you have to write a lot in income tax. So please make a particular register. So a proper register is required, guys, because I'll make you write so many things. What you need is, don't write this, but what you need is a proper register, which should be maintained. And I'm telling you, this register which you will be writing, it will be helping not only in your CA inter, it will help in your CA final also. And instead, I tell you that there are some students who are already chartered accountants. They actually tell me, sir, actually we refer our inter register today also in their practices or in their job. So this register will help you a lot, right? So please maintain a proper register. Second, regarding the books, you would be getting it within a week or so. I've already given it to Anita ma'am and the students who have directly registered. It will be sent to them within, I think within 7 to 8 days, you will get your books also. So don't worry. In the initial classes, we don't require books. If anything is required, I'll share the soft copy, right? So don't worry about initial 5-6 classes. Books is, one is the concept book, which is actually a handwritten book. And it contains everything. It's a wonderful book, I'm telling you. It's around 200 odd pages, but it contains everything about income tax, which is applicable for our examinations. For CA intermediate, the entire course is covered over here in handwritten book. It is easy to revise also, easy to learn also. This is one of the wonderful book. I'm telling you, in my career, initially, when I started teaching income tax way back, somewhere about 2010 and 11, I used to give three books, at least of 300 pages each. Into three, that is of 900 pages. I used to give these books to the students to read. This is my books. But I'm telling you, over the period of time, I have now compiled this book into just 200 pages. Whatever there was in 900 pages, it has been compiled beautifully in these 200 odd pages. So everything is covered. You can't, if whenever you pick up your study material, pick up any topic you will find in this book, right? So one is the concept book, which is very helpful. Second is the question bank. So third thing that you require is the question bank, where I have covered almost last 6 attempts question papers also. All the questions which came in the examination, I have covered them also. I have covered mock test paper questions also. I've tried to cover revision test paper also. So question bank is quite comprehensive. Some study material questions also I have covered over here. But I have not covered all the study material questions in question bank. Why? Because during the lectures, I would be also asking you that please do this question from study material, do this illustration from the study material. So otherwise, if I'll put everything in the question bank also, the study material also, so it would be a duplicacy. You already have study material. Guys, you all have study material, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
So,
Just check whether it is amended study material or not, right? It should be applicable for your May 26 or for your September 26 or for your January 27. It should be written over there. So if it isn't, just check when you have received the study material, it should be related to this one. So in case, because somehow, because have you received this income textbook? Because generally, when institute sends this study material to you, they don't send income textbook. They send it later. So have you received it recently, or you have received it some 4 or 5 months back?
Recently, sir.
Recently. So I think that it would be updated. So just check over there. After the class, you can check. It should be written over there that as amended by Finance Act 2025. It should be the recent one. It should be written over there as amended by, you can write it somewhere, as amended by Finance Act 2025, because this Finance Act 2025 is applicable for our May 26 examinations, the students who would be giving in September 26, or the students who would be giving in January 27. So these classes are applicable for these examinations, guys. Now, these are the two books which you would be getting it. And one is the main thing is the register which you have to maintain. Guys, any questions still here?
no, sir.
Okay, good to go. Now, I was telling you, now please start writing. Still, if you have not maintained the proper register today, so from tomorrow you can maintain the proper register. Today you can write it in any register. So it's a basic thing that we understand that taxes are of two types. You all know it. Direct and indirect. Direct tax and indirect tax. What is a direct tax? Direct tax is the tax where the burden of tax plus collection of tax is on the same person. I think you must be knowing about it, but still, just to start with, I'm just giving you a basic idea that what is a direct tax? Direct tax means where the burden of tax and the collection of tax is on the same person. Now, what do we mean by burden of tax? That from whose pocket this tax is going, that is the burden. Let's say if I say that Dhanushri, you have to pay 10 rupees. So who is suffering that burden? Dhanushri is suffering that burden. From whose pocket this money is going, it is called a burden. And from whom the government will collect. When I say collection of tax, I mean collection by government. Collection of tax means collection by government. Right over there, collection by government. government will catch which person, to whom government will actually catch that you have to pay your taxes. If it is the same person, the burden and the collection is from the same person, that is called a direct tax. And the best example for the direct tax is income tax. Now, let's say, for example, Bhavyansh is earning some income. How he's earning some income, we'll get to know. But let's say he's earning some income. Let's say, for example, in this year, he has earned 20 lakh rupees. Guys, what do you say? That he has to pay tax or not? What do you think? Whether, when I say tax, guys, it is income tax. Whether he has to pay income tax or not? Yes. If he's earning some income, he has to pay tax. So let's say, for example, he's earning 20 lakh rupees. Who will pay tax? If Bhavyansh is earning some income, so Bhavyansh, the burden is on Bhavyansh. Guys, what do you think? If Bhavyansh is not depositing this tax to the income tax department, to the government, if he is not depositing this tax, the government will catch hold his father, his mother, his uncle, his auntie, his teacher, or they will catch Bhavyansh only. What do you think?
They'll catch me, sir.
They will catch the same person. So the burden, so Bhavyansh has to pay from his pocket. When I say from his pocket, it means from his own money, from his bank account, from his pocket, he has to pay. So the burden is on Bhavyansh, the person who is earning the income, and the government will collect the tax also from that person only. They will not collect it from somebody else. They will collect from the same person only. That is the example of direct taxes, and the best example is income tax. Whereas in indirect tax, the burden and collection is on different person. Here it is on, I'm not writing it because in GST we have done that. So it is on different person. Just write it over here. Here, in indirect tax, the burden is on consumer, but the government will collect it from somebody else. Let's say, for example, you go to, I have given the same example in the GST lecture also, in the first lecture. Let's say, for example, if you go to purchase anything, let's say, for example, you go today to purchase, let's say, Maggie, a packet of biscuit, bread, etc. Let's say, for example, you go to purchase a packet of biscuit. And on this biscuit, it is written that it is rupees 20 rupees. And here it is written inclusive of all taxes. Have you seen that, Itna? It's written inclusive of all taxes on any packet, let's say biscuit, let's say chocolate, let's say any other thing. So it's inclusive of all taxes. What does it mean? It means that 20 rupees includes biscuits also plus taxes also. Agree na? 20 rupees is including taxes. So I think the packet of biscuit would be, let's say, 18 rupees, taxes would be 2 rupees. So that is the reason they are saying that it is 20 rupees. What do you think? If you will pay to the shopkeeper 18 rupees only and you will not pay 2 rupees, will he give you the packet of biscuit? No. He will say, no, totally you have to pay 20 rupees. So please tell me, the consumer, that is us, when we are going to purchase this packet of biscuit, we are not paying only 18, but we are paying 2 rupees also. So the burden is on our pocket. We have to pay this money. But what do you think? This 20 rupees you have paid to the shopkeeper. What do you think? If government has not received this money, the government has not received this money because 2 rupees is related to taxes. It is government revenue. If they have not received this money, whether they will come to us, to the consumer, never. They will never come to us. They will actually collect it from somebody else. So indirect tax is where the burden of tax and collection of tax is on the different person. That is called indirect tax. And the example is GST over here. So I believe that you guys are pretty clear with direct and indirect taxes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, any taxes in India should be legal. Government cannot say on any particular day, let's say tomorrow in the morning we get a news that from tomorrow there would be a new tax which is coming, and now from tomorrow you have to pay another taxes. No, actually government cannot on any particular day cannot come up that they can say that from today you have to pay this type of tax, this type of new tax, that type of new tax. No, government, it is the Constitution of India which gives power to the government that they can collect taxes. So unless and until the Constitution of India gives the power, we cannot collect the taxes. The government cannot collect the taxes. So please write it over here. This is just for a knowledge purpose. Nobody will ask you in your examination, but this is for your knowledge purpose. As per Article 265 of the Constitution of India, as per article, so it is written in the Article 265, as per the Article 265 of the Constitution of India, no taxes can be levied unless authorized by Constitution. So we cannot levy any taxes. Government cannot levy any taxes unless it is given the power by the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India will give the power to you. Then only the government can levy the taxes. Generally, we know that there are two types of government: central government, state government, although there is one more, local government, but right now precisely central government, state government. So if any taxes which central government would like to levy, there should be a power. Central government should have the power which is given by the law, which is given by the Constitution. If they are not authorized by the Constitution, they cannot collect taxes. If they are collecting taxes, that will become illegal taxes. It will become illegal. So they have to collect taxes as per the legal way, as per the Constitution of India. They cannot come up and say tomorrow they come up, they just, Mr. Modi woke up in the morning, early in the morning at 6 o'clock, and while he was brushing his teeth, and he thought, now let us increase the revenue of India, let us levy one more new type of taxes. No, we cannot levy any type of taxes unless and until it is given by the Constitution of India. There are some taxes which are levied by central government. There are some taxes which are levied by state government. Is the taxes which are levied by state government, it is with respect to a particular state. Let's say, for example, Tamil Nadu government is levying a tax. So it is specific to Tamil Nadu state. Let's say Maharashtra government is levying a tax, then it is specific to Maharashtra state. What do you think about central government? Whenever central government will levy tax, is it a particular state or it is for the entire country?
Entire country, sir.
Everybody is okay with this? So whenever central government will levy taxes, it is actually as per the entire, it is for the entire country, and for entire country it would be uniform. What do we mean by uniform? We mean uniform is similar. It would be same. Let's say, for example, a person living in Karnataka is earning 20 lakh rupees of income. Another person living in Tamil Nadu, he's also earning 20 lakh rupees of income. Third person living in Delhi is also earning 20 lakh rupees of income. And let's say if it is a central, if income tax is a central law, central government law, what do you think, guys? These people will pay different income tax or they will pay same income tax? Everyone, please tell me. What do you think? They will pay different income tax or they will pay same income tax if it is a central law, it is levied by central government? They will pay same
Same
income
tax,
tax.
same.
So whether you are living
Same
in
income
any
tax.
part of India, whether in the northern part, southern part, eastern part, wherever you are living, if you are earning same type of income, you have to pay similar taxes as per the central law. So what type of tax is income tax? Income tax is a central law. It's a central government tax. It's not a state government tax. It's not levied by Karnataka government. It is not levied by Tamil Nadu government. It is levied by central government. And Article 265 says that we are giving the power to the central government to levy income tax. We understand in Constitution of India, please write it, guys. There are three lists. List number 1, list number 2, list number 3. In Constitution of India, there are three lists, list 1, list 2, list 3. I think you have heard of them also, earlier also. List 1 is also known as Union List. List 2 is also known as State List. List 3 is known as Concurrent List. Whatever the activities which are mentioned in list 1, they have given it like point number 1, this activity, point number 2, this activity, point number 3, this activity. These activities are covered by the union government. Union government means central government. So it is central government area. List 1 is a central government area. State government cannot interfere over here. Similarly, in list 2, there are certain activities which are mentioned. Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, etc. This is specific a state government area. This is specific a state government area. Here, central government cannot interfere. In list 3, actually both are there. There are few activities which are mentioned over here. With respect to them, central and both can have the power, but the major load will be played by the central government. I'm not talking about list 3 because there are no taxes which are mentioned in list 3. There are certain taxes which are mentioned in list 1. There are certain taxes which are mentioned in list 2. Income tax is mentioned in list 1. So tell me, it is a state government law or a central government law? Central government law. Guys, in list 1, point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, these are called point number 1, point number 2, point number 3 are called entries. In list 1, there is entry number, please write it over here, entry number 82. In list 1, in entry number 82, it is written that central government has the power to collect taxes on income. The central government has the power to collect the taxes on income. That is nothing but income tax. Guys, it will not come in your examination, but this is just the basic thing which you should know, that income tax is a central law. And if somebody will ask you that why it is a central law, so you can just tell them because it is part of list 1. And in which entry it is given? Entry number 8. Entry is nothing but point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, and so on. So this is point number 82. In point number 82, we call it entry. Technically, we call it entry. So in entry number 82, it is mentioned that on the income, taxes can be levied by the central government. So central government has been given the power by entry number 82. That is the reason they charge income tax. Again, I'm repeating. I was telling you that any type of taxes, let's say it is income tax, let's say it is GST, let's say it is any taxes which we have heard so far, government should have the power. Unless and until the government does not have the power to levy the taxes, they cannot collect the taxes. If they are still collecting, that is illegal. So what is a tax? It should be in a legal way. The constitution should give you the power. So there is an article 265. You just write it over there. No need to learn, guys. there is Article 265. It says that you should have the power to collect the taxes. And then we have in Constitution list 1, list 2, list 3. List 3 is not for our reference. In list 1, in union list, that is also called central government list, we say that all the activities which are mentioned over here, they are mentioned in list 1, entry number 82. So if somebody will ask you that in which entry income tax is levied, so this is, you should know, entry number 82 of list 1. Everybody is okay till here?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is just the basic background about the Constitution, that Constitution gives the power that central government can levy taxes. Now, I was telling you that now since central income tax is a central law, so please write it over here. Income tax is a central law. And is applicable to whole of India. It is applicable to whole of India. When I say whole of India, so that is what I was discussing, that if somebody is earning 20 lakh rupees in any state like Karnataka, somebody is earning same amount 20 lakh rupees in Tamil Nadu, somebody is earning 20 lakh rupees, let's say in Maharashtra. So because it is same law, so we have to pay same type of taxes. Same taxes we have to pay in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Maharashtra, but it is this taxes will go to state government or this taxes will go to central government. What do you think? This taxes will go to central government. Central government has the right on income tax. State government will not play any role on income tax. Clear? So state government is not going to play any role in the income tax. First of all, tell me, have you written this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes.
Now, let us now jump into the topic now. Guys, what do you think? Let's say only, let's say for example, I take the example of Lakshita. Lakshita can earn an income. She can earn income. Let's say Swarnika can earn income. Let's say Hari can earn income. Any one of you can earn income. So if Lakshita is earning some income, she has to pay income tax. Swarnika has to pay income tax. Hari has to pay income tax. Who are we? Are we an artificial person or are we a natural person? We are a natural person, right? We are not a man-made person. We are not artificial. We are a natural person. So when Lakshita has to pay income tax, Swarnika has to pay income tax, Hari has to pay income tax, it is called in income tax, we call them individual. That these people are individual. So who pays tax in India? So is it just the natural? Don't write this. What do you think? Only the natural person will pay tax, which we call technically as individual. Guys, what do you think? I'm just asking you. Don't write this. Don't write this. What do you think? Let's say Reliance Limited is also earning income. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
See,
sir.
these are natural person. Reliance Limited is also earning income. Yes. Okay. Let's say there is a partnership firm. They are also earning income. Yes. Let's say there is a Hindu undivided family. I'll talk more about HUF. HUF is all, can there is a family business and family is earning income. Have you heard about this word HUF? I'll talk more about that HUF later. But have you all heard about this word
Yes.
HUF? Okay.
Yes, sir.
HUF is earning
Yes,
income.
sir.
Let's say there is some people, they came together as a joint venture. They came together as a joint venture and they are doing a business. In income tax, we call them association of person. AOP we call them. It is nothing but a kind of joint venture. Can they also earn income? Yes. Have you heard this name cooperative society? Anyone? Have you heard this name cooperative society?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Can they
sir.
also earn income? Yes. Have you heard the name of political parties? Can political parties are also earning income? Yes. political parties like Congress, like there are so many parties, TK, DMK, another, there are so many parties. So whether they are also earning income, yes, they all are earning income. So my question to you, don't write this. My question to you is, do you think that only natural person can earn income, or artificial person can also earn income? Everybody can earn income. It's not only natural person, but here Reliance is also earning income. They have to pay taxes. Partnership firm is also earning income. They have to pay taxes. HUF is also earning income. They have to pay. If they are earning income, they have to pay taxes also. So it's not only, I just would like to clarify, it's not only the natural person, it's also some artificial person also, they are earning income. And if they are earning income, they have to pay taxes. All these people in income tax is called as, I'm giving them a name. They are called as, please write this, assessee. We call them assessee. Who is an assessee? It is any person. Any person. This person can be a natural person also, individual also. This person can be artificial person also. Any person who is earning income, who is earning income and is liable to pay taxes is called an assessee. Any person who is earning income and is liable to pay taxes is called assessee. Guys, this is the one word, assessee. I'll be using it almost in every lecture, everywhere I'll be using it. So it's a very important word in income tax. So who is an assessee? Assessee is a person who is earning some income and he's supposed to pay some taxes. That person is called assessee. And who is an assessee? The example of assessee is, example, an individual can be assessee. Please write it. Keep on writing. An individual can be an assessee. Who is an individual? Purvi is an individual. Vidhi is an individual. Mushtaq is an individual. So we all are individual. If we are earning income, we have to pay taxes. HUF can also be an assessee. A partnership firm, we call them generally firm, they can also be an assessee. A company can also be an assessee. An association of person. Don't worry, I'll talk more about association of person, body of individual. Association of person can also be an assessee. A cooperative society can also be an assessee. So anybody who is earning income and who is liable to pay taxes is an assessee. Guys, are you okay with this word assessee?
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now, I will tell you after 5 minutes in detail. For individual, if you are earning less than 4 lakh, government said, no, we don't want taxes. Up to 4 lakh, you are exempted. You don't have to pay taxes. If some individual is earning not more than 4 lakh, let's say there is a person, Mr. A. Don't write this, guys. Let's say there is a person, Mr. A. First of all, tell me what type of assessee is he? Is he a cooperative society? Is an AOP? Is a company? He's a HUF? He's an individual. What type of assessee is?
Individual.
Individual.
Very good. When I have said Mr. A, so he is a natural person. So he's an individual assessee. Very nice. So let's say Mr. A is having an income during this year. This year is, let's say, 2025-26. Yes, 2025-26. When it will start, you all know, 1st April 25. So it will start. Don't write it. Don't write it. 1st April 25 till 31st March 2026, in this year, let's say for example, he has earned rupees 2 lakh. His income is only 2 lakh rupees. First of all, tell me, any person? Yes, he is any person, individual. Who is earning income? Yes, he is earning income, 2 lakh rupees, and is liable to pay taxes. Now, I'll be telling you in detail after 5 minutes. But I am just telling you that anybody, any individual who is earning not more than 4 lakh, he is not supposed to pay any taxes. Government will say, don't worry, you don't have to pay any taxes. Guys, is he liable to pay any taxes? Or whenever I say taxes, guys, I'm talking about only income tax. So I'm not talking about any other taxes. I'm talking about only income tax. So any person, yes, he is individual. Is he earning income? Yes, he is earning income. Is he liable to pay taxes or he is not liable to pay taxes? What do you think? Should he pay any taxes? If he come to you that you are my chartered accountant, you are his chartered accountant, he come to you that whether I have to pay any taxes, or you will say no, you don't have to pay any taxes.
No need.
I'm giving you the hint that up till 4 lakh, no taxes. If your income is up to 4 lakh, there is no taxes. Now
No
please tell
taxes.
me.
No taxes, sir.
No taxes.
Everybody's agree with me? No taxes. Purvi is saying, the sir saying no taxes. Okay. So he's any person, he's earning income, but he's not liable to pay taxes. Guys, is he an assessee? Will you call him assessee or you will not call him assessee?
No, sir.
Will not call.
Not
Very
necessary.
good. You will not call him assessee, because to be an assessee, to become an assessee, you should be liable to pay some taxes. So he is not liable to pay any taxes. So in that case, he is not an assessee. Similarly, let's say there is don't write it again. There is Mr. B. No, there is Mrs. B. Tell me what type of assessee she is.
Individual, sir.
Individual assessee. Very good. Individual assessee. Mrs. B, she is earning income of rupees 9 lakh. Is she an assessee?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Answer is
Yes,
yes. Very good. She is an assessee. She is liable to pay taxes. So she is an assessee. So I am just giving you a brief idea that what is an assessee. So what do you think, that assessee is only an individual? No, assessee can be others people also. So individual is a natural person, but these people, HUF, firm, company, AOP, association of person, cooperative society, they are all are artificial person, but they are also assessee in the eyes of income tax law. So we call them assessee. Anybody who is earning income and is liable to pay some taxes, they are called assessee. Now, please write it. Tax system in India, or rather income tax system in India. How income tax is paid? Income tax system in India. Okay, generally there are two systems, two methods how we can take the taxes. One is called a slab rate system. Second is called a flat rate system. SLAB, slab. Slab means levels. Slab means levels. In India, for some assessee, we follow this system, slab rate system, level wise. But for some people, there is a flat. What is level? Level is like staircase. It is like staircase. You have seen now. Staircase is this level. These are the levels. Staircase. This is called slab. Right? When you climb a staircase, level, you are climbing some levels. What is flat? Flat is something which is just a blanket rate, flat rate. So it depends on the assessee, that what type of assessee are you, on which particular system you will go, whether you will go in slab rate, whether you will go in flat rate. If you are a, please write it over here, if you are a company assessee or you are a partnership firm, if you are a company assessee or you are a partnership firm, then there is a flat rate system. There is a flat rate system. Flat rate means there is one rate of taxes which you have to pay. What does it mean? Let's say there is a company or a partnership firm. Let's say they are earning income. Case 1, they are earning income of 10 lakh. Let's say there is a tax rate. When I say tax rate, I am talking about only income tax. Let's say there is a tax rate of 30%. If it is a company or a partnership firm, let's say there is a tax rate of 30%, then on entire 10 lakh, they have to pay 30% of 10 lakh, 3 lakh rupees of taxes. Flat. Case 2, if there is a company who is earning income of, let's say, 50 lakh, they have to pay flat. Flat means on all your income, we will apply simply flat rate 30%. So if you are earning 50 lakh rupees, let's say 30% is the rate. So you have to pay 15 lakh rupees of taxes. Let's say there is a partnership firm or a company. If you are earning 1 lakh rupees, you have to pay flat 30%, 30,000 rupees. Guys, don't get confused. I was talking about 4 lakh related to individuals, slab rates. For company and partnership firm, they have to pay flat rate. Flat means on any of your income, you have to pay tax rate 30%. There is 25% also. I'll tell you later. As of now, just take 30%. So if whatever is your income, we will say flat rate. On all your income, flat rate 30%. 50 lakh is the income, tax would be 15 lakh. Income tax you have to pay 15 lakh. If you are earning 1 lakh, 30%, 30,000 tax you have to pay. First of all, tell me, have you written this?
Sir.
Yes.
Now
Yes, sir.
understand it practically. Now understand it practically. I'm again repeating. Guys, in India, generally we follow two type of rates system of paying income tax. I'm not talking again I'm repeating. Please, I'm not talking about GST. I'm not talking about any tax. I'm talking about only income tax. Our topic is only income tax, right? So when I say tax system in India, I'm talking about income tax. In India, we have, for some assessee, we have slab rate system. For some assessee, we have flat rate system. So it depends who is the assessee. So generally flat rate system is for company assessee or partnership firm assessee, right? So if, let's say, now take a very practical example. You are a chartered accountant. You are sitting in your office. There is a client who comes to you. And they say that we are a partnership firm. Then let's say there are two people come to you and they say that we both are partners. And sir or ma'am, they are telling you that we have an income of rupees 5 lakh in this year. Guys, what do you think? How much tax they have to pay? They are your client. They are coming to you. Let's say the tax rate is 30%. How much tax they have to pay? They came to you and they say that we have 5 lakh rupees of income. And who are they? Who are the assessee? Are they individual? They both are natural person, but yes, but for whom you are calculating? You are calculating for them or you are calculating for their partnership firm?
Partnership.
Very nice. You are calculating for their partnership firm. So you are doing the calculation for which assessee? For partnership firm. So you will say, boss, if your firm is earning 5 lakh rupees, so you have to pay 30% tax. That is 1,50,000. Which tax, guys? Income tax.
Income tax.
So your partnership firm has to pay 1,50,000 rupees of income tax to the government of India. Let's say there is a company. Let's say there is a company ABC Private Limited. Guys, is it a company? Yes. Limited, Private Limited, obviously it's a company. So ABC Private Limited comes to you. Obviously ABC Private Limited will not come to you. One of their director came to you, right? Let's say this guy is saying that I am a managing director of ABC Private Limited, and we have earned the income of rupees 2 lakh. Let's say their income is 2 lakh. Are they not supposed to pay taxes, or they are supposed to pay taxes? Then how much? Everybody tell me.
60,000.
Very good. Flat rate on 2 lakh, entire amount, flat rate 30%. So they have to pay 60,000 rupees of taxes. Everybody got this?
Yes.
What is
sir.
flat rate?
Yes, sir.
Flat rate means simple, flat. It's simple. On all your income, we have only one rate. That is called flat rate. Whereas for other assessee like individual, HUF, AOP, just write it. I'll explain AOP, BOI later. Just explain AOP. Just write it AOP. AOP is Association of Person. Don't write the full form also right now. I'll be explaining it later. BOI, Body of Individuals. Sir, what is this? I don't know. As of now, just write it. There are other assessee like individual, HUF. If you understand this much, I'm okay with this today. Even if you understand individual, if you don't understand anything out of it, doesn't matter. It's not the topic for today, but don't worry, I'll be explaining each and everything. So if there are other assessee like individual, HUF, AOP, BOI, there are some artificial juridical person, AJP. Please write it. Artificial juridical person. Guys, these are nothing. The best examples is temples, mosque. Are these temples, mosque, etc.? They also generate income. What about Tirupati?
Yes, sir.
What about Shirdi Sai? What about any other temple? Are they also generate income? Yes, a very high income. Sir, whether they are also supposed to pay taxes? Yes, most of their income is exempt, but this is not in our course, but you should know what is AJPs. AJPs are generally temples, deities, mosque, etc., church, etc. So they are also earning income. So they are also assessing. Although most of their income are exempt, that is another thing that I'll tell you later. But these are temples, mosque, etc. So other assessee, as of now, just flat system is for company and partnership firm. For all other assessee, it is slab rate. Guys, in intermediate, you have in your course only individual assessee. And generally for individual and HUF, it is same provisions are there. So in intermediate, we have the questions will be asked related to only individual assessee. You will not be asked related to AOP, BOI, artificial juridical person, company assessee, partnership firm. But right now, I'm just giving you a background. If you will open your study material, you can do it after the class. If you will open your study material in first or second page, the preface is given, etc. When you will read it over there, it is specifically written over there that at CA intermediate level, the student will be tested for individual assessee. So for intermediate, 99.99% we will be doing only individual. Only at some places I'll be talking about other things also, but that is not relevant for intermediate. That is we will learn more about that in CA final examinations, right? So mainly it is individual HF. But today, since it's a very first class, so I'm giving you a brief background. Okay, guys, these people, they pay taxes. They pay taxes as per the slab rate. And please write that for the year.
Sir,
Yes, please.
the screen is blurred, sir.
Is it?
No, sir. It's clear.
No, sir.
That's okay. There might be some internet issue. Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Mathumita? Okay. Okay. Is which right now in which year we are?
25, 26.
Correct. So this is the year for your examination purpose. For the year 2025-26, what is the slab rate? Slab rate is, now everybody, first of all, tell me everybody has written till here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if your income is 0 to 4 lakh, if anybody who individual, HUF, AOP, BOI, what does it mean? I don't know. Let's say AJP, I don't know. As of now, just concentrate only on individual. Let's say if individual is earning anywhere between 0 to 4 lakh, what is the tax rate? Tell me guys, what is the tax rate? Nil. No tax. I told you now. Till 4 lakh, no tax. Till 4 lakh, no tax. If you are earning up till 4 lakh, no taxes. If you are earning more than 4 lakh, so if you are earning 4 to 8 lakh, guys, actually it is 4 lakh 1 rupees. But don't write 4 lakh 1 rupees, write 4. Up till 4 lakh it is here, more than 4 lakh it is here. So if you are earning between 4 to 8 lakh, you have to pay 5% taxes. Written till here. Now I have a question for you. Let's say Surya is earning, let's say in this year he earned 5 lakh rupees. First of all, tell me, Surya is a company, partnership firm, or individual?
Individual.
Individual.
Everybody. Okay. So we are doing calculation for individual assessee. So he's an individual assessee. So Surya is earning income of 5 lakh rupees. Is no tax or there will be taxes?
There will be tax.
There will be taxes, right? If I would have said 4 lakh, you would have said no taxes. Now he's earning 5 lakh rupees. Taxes will be there. How much?
5,000.
25,000.
5%. So 5% of how much? 5% of 5 lakh, how much? 25,000? No, not like this. No, not like this. Guys, it is level. It is level. Don't write this. It is level. It is like a staircase. It is like a staircase. So let's say this is the first level. Let's say, for example, this is a stair. Don't write it. Let's say this is the first level. This is the second level. This is the third level, and so on. So in India, we have a progressive system. Progressive means that when your income is increasing, your tax rate will increase. Up to first level, up till first level, you don't have to pay any tax. That your first level is up till 4 lakh rupees, you don't have to pay any tax. The income which is exceeding 4 lakh, on that you have to pay 5%. So what does it mean? It means that if Surya is earning 5 lakh rupees, the first 4 lakh, he don't have to pay any tax. And on excess of 4 lakh, he has to pay, what is excess of 4 lakh? 1 lakh. He has to pay 5% tax, 5,000 rupees. Everybody got it or not? How we will calculate, I'll let you know. But everybody understood it, how we have to pay taxes?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it's not like that on entire 5 lakh, he has to pay 5%. No. It is level wise. So first you have to cross level 1. Then you will come to level 2. In level 2, how much income you are earning? Up till first level, it was 4 lakh. So 4 lakh was exhausted in first level. In first level, there is no tax. Then it is 5%. Don't worry. within next 10 minutes, you will get to know that how you will calculate it. If you are earning more than 8 lakh up till 12 lakh, it is 10%. This is level number 1. Just for your reference, you can write level 1, number 1. Otherwise, you can skip this also, but still I'm writing it. Level number 2, level number 3, level number 4. If you are earning more than 12 lakh till 16 lakh, it is 15%. 16 to 20 lakh, actually it is more than 16 lakh. Up till 16 lakh, you are here. 16 lakh, 1 rupees it is, but just write it 16 lakh. 16 to 20, 20%. 6th level, 20 lakh to 24 lakh, 25%. And the last level is 7th level. Guys, you don't have to remember these levels. No. This is just for your reference I have written. You can also write, but just for your reference. And if it is more than 24 lakh, 30%. 30% is the maximum rate which you have to pay taxes. I believe it is very easy to learn this.
Yes, sir.
Is it difficult or it is easy? Tell me
Easy,
the
sir.
tell me the trick. Tell me the trick.
Skips of 4, skips of 5.
Correct, very nice. So there is just a skip of 4 lakh. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. And above 24, it is 30%. And here is just a step of 5%. I believe it's very easy to understand, right? Last year it was not a bit easy, although it was not that difficult also. But last time the level was something different. But now it has become easy, right? So there is a step of 4 lakh over here, and here is a step of 5% over here. Okay. Now, guys, now let us understand how we will calculate the taxes. So let's say we are sitting in our office and we have a person who comes to us and he says that please calculate my taxes. Okay. Everybody not done till here, na? Okay. Now, write an example, guys. Mr. Sumit, during the year 25-26 earns rupees 12 lakh. Compute his income tax. Don't jump into it. First of all, just digest this. Look at very practically. Again, you are sitting in your office. This guy came to us and he's saying that I have earned 12 lakh rupees in this year. And I'm presuming that he's saying whatever he's saying, he's a genuine person. He's saying I have earned 12 lakh rupees this year. Guys, let's say Sumit is your brother, Sumit is your cousin, Sumit is your friend. Just imagine like this. Be very realistic. Let's say Sumit is your cousin or he's your friend or whosoever it is. First of all, tell me what type of assessee is he? Is he a partnership firm? Is he a company or an individual assessee?
Individual assessee.
You are calculating for whom? Individual. Guys, we call it that we are doing, just write it over here. We are doing assessment. What does assessment means? Assessment means calculation. We are doing assessment of what type of assessee? Individual assessee. You don't have to write it in every question, but today just understand this. Let's say for example, we are doing assessment for individual assessee. Let's say for example, it is Sumit Limited. It is not Mr. Sumit. Let's say if this would have been Sumit Limited. Guys, what I will write it over here? assessment of company assessee. Let's say if it is Sumit and Sons, a partnership firm, what I will write it over here? Assessment of partner. What is the meaning of assessment means? Assessment means calculations. We are assessing, we are calculating the income and then the income tax for what type of assessee? Here it is Mr. Sumit, so I will write individual assessee. If this would have been Sumit Limited, assessment of company assessee. If this would have been, let's say, Sumit and Brothers, a partnership firm, then I would write assessment of partnership firm assessee. Everybody is understanding it? So right now we are doing assessment of individual or assessment of individual assessee. Okay. Now he says that I am earning income of 12 lakh rupees. Okay. Guys, just go to this table. So first of all, tell me whether he has to pay tax or there would be no taxes or there will be taxes.
There will be taxes.
There will be taxes.
No issues on this. There will be taxes. Okay. Tell me up till which level he is going. First level is 0 to 4. Second level is 4 to 8. Third level is 8 to 12. Fourth level is more than 12 to 16. Up till which level he is going?
Third level.
Very good. He is going up till third level. Is he going in fourth level? No, he is not going in fourth level. He is going up till 3 level only. First level, second level, third level. So let's say this is a staircase. So he will go up till third level only, not more than that. What you will do? Simply leave 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And write 12 lakh over here. Just leave 3 lines and write 12 lakh over there. Got it? Why 3 lines? Because he is going up till 3 levels only. Okay. Okay. Guys, what is the, just look at this, the first one, first level. What is the lower limit of the first level?
0.
0. Everybody is okay with this word, lower limit? This much statistics we know na? Lower limit?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is a lower limit. What is the upper limit for this first level?
4 lakh.
Very good. Everybody is okay with this words? Lower limit, upper limit? Only this
Yes,
much
sir.
statistics I need, right,
Yes,
guys?
sir.
Right? Okay. Again, I'm asking you, how much is the upper limit of this? 4 lakh. Is he crossing the upper limit? Yes. Till where he is going? His income is 12 lakh. He's crossing the upper limit. If he's crossing the upper limit, you simply have to do upper limit minus lower limit. 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0. How much is this? Upper limit minus lower limit. 4 minus 0 is 4 lakh. Come back and write it over here. 4 lakh. What is 4 lakh? Upper minus lower limit. How much was the tax rate over here? Nil. First level. Go back to the second. Guys, you will understand it after 2 or 3 examples. Just right now, if you are able to understand even 1% of it, whatever I am telling you, out of 100, even if you are able to understand only 1% of it, I am perfectly okay with it. So don't worry, after 3rd or 4th example, you will become perfect in this. Now, second level. Guys, what is the upper limit of the second level? 8. Is he crossing the upper limit? Yes. Is he crossing 8 lakh? Yes. He is coming up till 12 lakh. So what you will do? 8 minus 4. Upper limit minus lower limit. 8 minus 4 is 4 lakh. How much is the tax rate in the second level? 5%. Okay. Come to the third level. What is the upper limit of the third level? 12. Is he crossing 12 lakh? No, sir. He's on just 12 lakh. He is on just 12 lakh. Okay. So 12 lakh is okay with me. 12 minus 8 is 4. And it is 10% over here. It is 4 lakh over here. And I will write 10%. First, I will just recheck whether I have done any mistake. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. I'm okay with it. So I have not done any mistake. I've just rechecked. 4, 4, 4. It is just what I have done is I have just segregated this 12 lakh into various levels. I've just segregated this 12 lakh into various level and I'm okay with it. The total of this is coming at to 12 lakh. I'm okay with it. Now I will write 4 lakh into nil rate. That is 0. How much is the tax? 0. 4 lakh into 5%. The tax would be how much? 20,000. 4 lakh into 10%. The tax would be how much? 40,000. So the total tax which he has to pay is how much? Nil, 20, 40. 60,000 tax he has to pay. Guys, even if you have understood 2 or 3% also, out of 100%, even if you have understood 2 or 3%, 98% you have not understood, I'm perfectly okay with this. Okay. And I will not ask you that whether you have understood it or not. I'm just asking you whether you have copied it or not. Have you all copied it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in your mind, just be realistic. Sumit is your cousin. He's your brother, whosoever it is. How much income he's earning? 12 lakh. Guys, you are his chartered accountant. What you will say? Sumit, how much tax you have to pay to the government? 60.
60,000.
So boss, go and pay 60,000 to the government. The remaining is left with you. So 11 lakh 40,000. We don't have to calculate this, but 11 lakh 40,000 he can take his home. 60,000 he has to pay to the government. So anybody who is earning 12 lakh. So can I say that somebody who is earning 12 lakh in this year, he has to pay 60,000 rupees tax to the government. Everybody is okay till here with this statement that anybody who is earning 12 lakh rupees, he has to pay 60,000 tax. Now let us come to my next example and let us increase our understanding percentage. So with this second example, I think 20 to 30% you will understand. I don't want you to understand 100%. I just want to understand 20 to 30%. That's it. Okay. Next example. Write with me. Miss Chaya. Guys, what type of assessee is she?
Individual.
Very good. Individual. Let's say in the year 25-26, her income is, her total income is rupees 19 lakh. Her total income is 19 lakh and we need to compute income tax. We need to compute income tax. Okay. Now, she is going in certain levels. Obviously, she is going up till which level, guys? Can you tell me up till which level she is going?
Fifth
1,
level.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Level
Fifth
five.
level, level 5. Is it's not, see, as of now, in just initial examples, I'll asking you that please in which level she is going. But I'm telling you from tomorrow onwards, you will not even see this. You will simply calculate her taxes. So she is going up till level 5, okay, because her income is how much? 19 lakh. So she is not going above 20. She's coming till level 5. So how many lines should I skip? Should I take? 5 lines. First level, second, first, even I'm not writing it. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, doesn't matter. You can leave some 5-6 lines and just write the total income. 19 lakh over here. Everybody write with me. Just write 19 lakh over here. My screen is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just write 19 lakh over here. Okay. Now, come back again to your levels. What is the upper limit of the first level? 4 lakh. Is she crossing 4 lakh? Yes, sir. She is, her income is 19 lakh. She's crossing 4 lakh. What you will do? Upper limit minus lower limit. 4 minus 0. 4. Write it over here. 4 lakh. Nil rate. First level is nil. Go to the second level. What is the upper limit of the second level? 8 lakh. Is she crossing 8 lakh? Yes, sir.
Yes.
Her income is 19 lakh. She's crossing this level also. What you will do? Upper minus lower. 8 minus 4. 4 lakh. How much is the percent? 5%. Second level. Come to the third level. What is the upper limit of the third level? 12. Is she crossing? Yes. She is going up till 19. What you will do? Upper minus lower. 12 minus 8. 4 lakh. 10%. Next level. 12 to 16. What is the upper limit? 16. Is she crossing 16? Yes. She's going till 19. So what you will do? Upper minus lower. 16 minus 12. 4. 15%. Okay, next. Now we are 16 we have done. 16 to 20. Guys, what is the upper limit? Now everybody. Just
19.
watch this. What is the upper limit? 20.
20 lakhs.
20.
Is she crossing 20 lakh or maximum she is going up till 19?
19 lakhs.
19.
So what we will do in our mind? In our mind, we will just cross this 20 because this is not the upper limit for her. Upper limit for her is how much? 19. So in our mind, I will just cut this. And instead of 20, I will say, although she is in this level, but she is not going up till 20. She is going up till 19. 19 minus 16 is how much? 3. Everybody is okay with this?
Yes,
So
sir.
19 minus 16 is 3, 20%. So 3 lakh, 20%. I think I'm done with that. Let us recheck whether I have done something wrong or not. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 16 plus 3, 19. I'm okay with this. The sum total of this is 19. What I have done is I have divided this 19 into various levels. I have divided this 19 into various levels. And in this level, how much is the tax? 0. 4 lakh into 5% is 20,000. 4 lakh into 10% is
40,000.
40. This is 60. And this is 60 again.
60. 1,80,000.
1,80,000. Lakshita has given this answer to me. Okay, 1,80,000. What can we interpret? We can interpret that an individual who earns 19 lakh rupees has to pay 1,80,000 as taxes. Everybody is little bit okay with this?
Yes, sir.
Have you done this?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more example. Then we'll proceed to another thing. Compute text for Mr. Pratik and his income is rupees 30 lakh. His income is 30 lakh. Okay. So his income is 30 lakhs. What is the maximum level we have? 24. About 24, it is, how many levels do we have? We have 7 levels. And more than 24, it is 30 lakh. It is, sorry, 30%. So this person is crossing. So Pratik sir is crossing how much? He's crossing the 7th level also. So what I'll do, I'll leave some lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. And I'll write 30 lakh over here. Okay. Now this is income. This is tax rate. This is our income tax. in amount, rupees, right? Now guys, without seeing that table, we will do. Okay. Now we know, we have little bit idea about that table. First level is how much? 0 to 4. Is he crossing 4 lakh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Lakshita is asking me something about new tax regime, old tax regime. Lakshita, I don't know today what is new tax regime, right? So Lakshita, today I don't know what is new tax regime and old tax regime. That is the topic for tomorrow. So let us keep it for tomorrow, right?
Okay, sir.
Now, okay. So now we are comfortable, little bit comfortable with the levels. So what is the first level? 0 to 4 lakh. 0 to 4 lakh. Is he crossing 4 lakh? Yes, he is going till 30. So what I'll do? Upper minus lower. 4 minus 0. 4 lakh. Nil. Next level is 4 to 8. Is he crossing 8? Yes. What I will do? 8 minus 4. 5%. Third level is 8 to 12. Is he crossing the upper limit? 12. Yes, he is crossing. He is going till 30. 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 is 4 lakh. 10%. Next is 12 to 16. Is he crossing 16? Yes. 16 minus 12. 4 lakh. 15%. Next is 16 till 20. Next is 16 till 20. You can see 16 till 20. Is he crossing 20? Yes, he is crossing 20. So 20 minus upper limit minus lower limit. 20 minus 16. 4 lakh is 20%. 4 lakh, 20%. Next is 20 till 24. Is he crossing 24? Yes. So 24 minus 20. 4 lakh, 25%. Now, guys, can I write it over here? I have written more than 24 lakh. Anything which you earn more than 24 lakh, everybody please look at the screen now. Anything which is more than 24 lakh, it is 30%. I'm just writing it in a different way. More than 24 lakh, guys, this I'm writing in a different way. Can I say that 24 lakh to infinity is 30%? Are you okay with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, can I write this? I'm just deleting this. I'm just deleting this one. And I am writing this. More than 24 lakh, it means that 24 lakh till infinity. Nobody will go till infinity, but still, just because if it is more than 24 lakh, then there is no such limit now of how much more it is. So I've just written 24 lakh to infinity. It is 30%. Everyone is okay? Surya, Hari, Pushtaq, you all are okay with this? 24 to infinity? Now, see, till this level we have done. Now, what is the upper limit for this last level, infinity? Guys, is our assessee going till infinity? No, sir. He is going till 30 lakh. So what I will do? I will cut this infinity and I will write 30 lakh over here. In my mind, I'll cut this infinity because maximum is going till 30. Upper limit will become 30 now for him. 30 minus 24 is how much? 6 lakh. 6 lakh, 30%. Have you understood this? 6 lakh, 30%.
Yes.
Tell me how much is the tax now? Nil, 20,000, 40,000, 60, 80. This is 1 lakh. This is
1 lakh
180.
80,000.
Tell me the total, guys.
4 lakh
8
80,000.
lakh 80,000.
4 lakh 80,000. Very good. Now I am pretty sure that everybody has understood it. Anybody has any doubt over it, please ask me. Now I am asking you, have you understood it or not?
Got it, sir.
Understood, sir.
Okay, now I am giving you one question for you to do right now and tell me within next 2 minutes that how much is the tax. Have you copied it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Compute tax for Mr. X. Mr. X is what? Individual. Compute tax for Mr. X. Income is 13,10,450 rupees. Guys, his income is 13,10,450 rupees. Quickly tell me the answer. What you will do? Please be very, very organized. What you will do? First of all, just leave some few lines. No need to be very specific that how many lines you have to leave. Just randomly you can leave some 5-6 lines. That's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I'm leaving randomly. Write 13,10,450 first. In your mind, first is 0 to 4. Upper limit is 4. Are we crossing 4 lakh? Yes, we are crossing. So 4 lakh, nil. Second is 4 to 8. Are we crossing 8? Yes. 8 minus 4, 4 lakh. 5%. Next is 8 to 12. Are we crossing 12? Yes. 12 minus 8, 4 lakh. 10%. Next is 12 to 16. Next limit is 12 to 16. Are we crossing 16? No. So our limit is we are going up till 13,10,450. So this will become our upper limit. So 13,10,450 minus 12 lakh, 1,10,450. Are you all okay with this? 1,10,450?
Yes, sir.
15%. And 4 lakh into nil is nil. 4 lakh into 5% is 20,000. 4 lakh into 10% is 40,000. 1,10,000 into 1,10,450 into 15% is 16,567.5 plus 60,000. 76,000. Very nice. 76,567.50. So what we can conclude that the person who is earning 13,10,450 has to pay 76,567.50 taxes. Everybody got this answer? Any doubt here?
Got it, sir.
No, sir.
Anyone, any doubt? If you have not understood, anybody, don't feel shy, don't feel afraid. Please tell me.
Sir, I have a question, but not related to the topic which you took today.
Okay, go ahead, tell me, Bhavansh.
Sir, imagining a situation where there is a partnership firm where a father and son are partners,
Correct.
and in the accounting statement, the income is actually 40 lakhs or 45 lakhs something.
Correct.
And both of them have drawn 3 lakhs salary per person.
Very good.
So they have successfully avoided tax to the extent of 6 lakhs, right?
Good question, Bhavyansh, but I will give you the answer in this course, but let's say after 7 classes, 7th or 8th class, you'll get this answer. But just to answer you, although the others might not get, will not get this, why I'm saying it, but to answer, yes. Let's say, for example, you and your father have a partnership firm, 40 lakh is the profit which your books are getting. And let's say, for example, 4 lakh, you give remuneration to yourself and your father, you can actually save the taxes. The answer is yes, but I will give you a brief, a good detailed background in the chapter of PGBP, Profit and Gains from Business and Profession.
But this is a loophole, right?
It's not actually a loophole. Actually, it's an advantage which has been given to the partnership firm. So detail I'll give you. There is a specific section. What you are asking, actually there is a specific section 40 small b I'll be telling you, and the entire class, 3 hours, I'll be spending on this thing only, which you are actually asking me. So,
Okay.
so it's not actually a loophole. It's a benefit which has been given. Others, please ignore this question. Not relevant right now, but relevant for our course. We will be doing it in after 7-8 classes. Okay, coming back. Now, before I give you a 5 minutes break, guys, we'll have the class till 9:30. From 7:30, is it okay with everyone? 7:30 till 9:30?
Yes, sir.
With a
Yes,
5
sir.
minutes break. With a 5 minutes break around 9 o'clock. Okay. Now, before we go for a break, for 5 minutes break, guys, what happened is, in the year 2004, in the year 2004, you don't have to remember this year. Just to give you the brief background, in the year 2004, the finance minister, in his budget speech, was telling that citizen of India, thank you so much that you are paying taxes. Guys, whatever the taxes which X is giving, how much tax is X giving? 76,567. How much tax Pratik sir is giving? For 4,80,000 rupees. How much tax Chai is giving? 1,80,000 rupees. All this money, 180, 480, 76,000, everything will be collected by the central government. All this money will be collected by the central government, and central government will be spending this money. Will be spending this money in healthcare sector, in infrastructure, in defense, in education, and there are so many different areas, right? Because the money which is collected by the way of taxes, it will be spent in various areas. Agree? In 2004, actually, finance minister said that thank you so much, citizens of India, that you are paying us taxes, but we need little bit extra from you. We need little bit extra from you for our primary education, because mostly in our villages there is no primary education. Primary education is very basic education till class 5. So we need some extra money, specific money for our primary education. And in 2004, he said that I am levying some extra taxes, 2% extra, 2% extra. He said that we are proposing that you have to pay 2% extra, and this is known as primary education cess, CESS. Cess is nothing but kind of tax. It's a synonym of taxes. So we don't use generally cess, CESS, but cess is nothing but a type of taxes. So he said that apart from these taxes, apart from this taxes, you have to pay 2% extra. 2% of what? 2% of your taxes. So let's say, for example, I come back to this example when Sumit is paying how much tax? 60,000 rupees. So he has to pay 2% extra. And what it is called 2%? This is called education cess. In 2004, he introduced this. So how much taxes which Sumit has to pay? Earlier, he was paying 60,000 rupees. So after introduction of education cess, don't write it anywhere, guys. You don't have to remember this year also. I'm just giving you a background. So 2% cess he has to pay. How much? How much is 2% of taxes? Not of income, of taxes. How much it would be? 1,200? 60,000 into 2%. So 2% would be 1,200. 61,200. So Sumit has to pay 61,200 after 2004. How much Miss Chaya has to pay? Her tax was 1,80,000. So plus 2%, 2% of this amount, she has to pay extra money, right? So 2% was introduced.
3,600.
Correct, 3,600. So how much Mr. X has to pay? 76,567 into 2% more, 2% extra. In 2004, 2% education cess was introduced. In 2007, again finance minister came up and he said, thank you so much that we are collecting 2% for our primary education. Please pay us little extra now, more 1% extra for our secondary and higher education. What is secondary and higher education? Till class 12th. We need our education to develop more. We need some extra money for our education. So this after 2004, 2% was added. After 2007, 1% was more added. So how much it became? 3%. So since 2007 onwards, it's been now almost close to 18 years now. Since 2007 onwards, we are actually adding 3% extra in the name of education cess. Correct? So 3% extra. Then somewhere in 2018-19, again, finance minister said that thank you so much, you are giving us 3% for education cess. We need for health purpose also. And they have actually eliminated this 2%, eliminated this 1%, and they came out with new percentage that is called 4%. This is known as health and education cess. It is known as plus 4% health and education cess. Guys, this is a story I have told you. You don't have to remember. Nobody will going to ask you, but you should know that how it evolved. So we generally call it today, guys, in your examination, always 4% you have to add, and you have to write just cess. This is the full name, health and education cess. But in your examination, you have to write just 4% cess. In all the questions, subsequently, we'll be writing 4% cess. Examiner also understand it is health and education cess. And it is always be there. Whatever is your text, you have to add 4% extra. So here, when I have calculated for Sumit, so actually it is not 60,000. We have to add 4% extra. How much is 4% extra? 60,000 takes 4% of 60,000. I think 2,400. So it will become 62,400. This is the total tax. Everybody understood this?
Yes, sir.
Chaya, she has to pay not 180 today plus 4% cess also. So after 4% cess, it will become 1,80,000 plus 4%. 187,200 is the net tax liability. It is always there. It is always there. So wherever income tax will go, cess will follow. Cess is like a shadow. So you should never forget about adding 4% cess. So 4% cess. So how much Pratik sir has to pay? 4,80,000 plus 4% cess. How much?
19,200.
Correct. And total it will become 4,99,200. Everybody, Vidhi, Lakshita, Dhanushri, everybody got it? Hari,
Yes, sir.
how much X has to pay? 76,000. Guys, write it over here. 76,567.5 into 4%. 306, 2.7 rupees extra. And how much it will become total? 79,630.20. This is called as tax liability. So this tax liability will be 79,630.20. Everybody okay with this?
Yes, sir.
Guys, take a break for 5 minutes. We'll be back at 9:10. Just small break of 5 minutes. We'll be back at 9:10, and then we'll finish it up today's lecture by 9:30. Okay, guys, come back. See, you all are here. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, what happens is
Yes, sir.
government says that we need taxes in multiples of 10 only. There should be a multiple of 10. Multiple of 10. They don't need change. money, they say that your tax liability should be in the multiple of 10. So in our first example, Sumit, how much tax he has to pay including cess? 62,400. So this is already the last digit should be 0. It should be in multiples of 10. Here it is 1,87,200. Here also we are okay with it. It is in multiple of 10. But if you will see the last one, which is 79,630.20, what we will do, if it is not in multiples of 10, see, obviously decimal should not be there. And in fact, this would have been 31 rupees, 32 rupees, 33 rupees or so. So we will make it multiple of 10. It should be in the multiples of 10. At last, we have to do it. Whatever is our tax liability, after including the cess, it should be in multiple of 10. So there is a section number which you don't have to learn the section number although, but still please write it. So if it is already in the multiple of 10, we don't have to apply that section. But in case if it is not in multiple of 10, so there is a section, we have to round off this tax liability, round it off. Under section, there is a section number, you can write it right now, but not important for you to remember this section. So this is 288B, 288 capital B. It says that your tax liability should be in the multiples of 10. And how you do it? The same way which you used to do in mathematics. If the last digit, just ignore this decimal. If the last digit is 5 or more than 5, you will proceed to the next digit. And if the last digit is 4, 3, 2 or 1, which is less than 5, then you will ignore that part. So what we will do over here, since it is less than 5 over here, so what you will do? The tax liability would be 79,630 rupees. Everybody got it? Again, I'm repeating. Let's say, write an example. If your tax liability is including cess, 4% cess. Let's say case number 1. If your tax liability is 11,262, second 12,958, third your tax liability is 1,22,315. What you will do? You will round it up. You will do a round off. Round it off. Under section 288B, there's no need to remember the section number. You can simply write round off in your examination. But still, I've just mentioned the section number. So this is 11,000. It will become how much? 11,000 since the last number is less than 5. So we will go to the previous number 260. 11,260. This will become 12,958. The last number is 5 or more than 5. We will go to the next number. So this is 12,960. This will become 1,22,320. Everybody got this or not? How you will round off? If at the last you have to round off. So whatever is your tax liability after including cess, if it is already rounded off in the multiple of 10, then we are okay. If it is not rounded off, then you have to round it off. So it should be the last number should be after rounding off, it should be 0. Yes or no? Easy na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. Now your doubt could be, sir, whether we have to remember all the sections number. So in income tax, there are so many sections. Whether we have to remember all the sections number, the answer is no, not at all. You don't have to remember all the sections number, but yes, there are few important sections, not more than 10 or 15, which are very, very important, which I will be repeating so many times in the classes, in the lectures. I'll be repeating it so many times that you will be able to retain those numbers. So only those numbers are required. Otherwise, you don't have to remember any other section number. So whether if I will not write, some students ask this, that sir, if we will not write section number, whether our marks will be deducted? The answer is no. Neither in intermediate nor in final also. So if you don't mention the section number, your marks is not deducted. But it is very important that whenever if you are mentioning your section number, it should be a correct section number. It should not be a wrong section number. So it should not be like that you actually mention some other section number. If you mention a wrong section number, then marks will be deducted. So it is better not to mention the section number. Got it? Otherwise, there are few sections which are very, very important, which you will get to know during the lectures itself. Okay. Next topic is whosoever earns income, whether this person is an individual, whether this person is an HUF, whether this person is a company, whether this person is a partnership firm, whosoever earns income, we categorize into 5 segments. We categorize into 5 heads. We call it 5 heads of income. 5 heads of income. We categorize them into 5 heads. It is nothing. 5 heads of income is nothing, but you can write categories. Categories. Purvi, yes. So I was telling you, Purvi, here I was telling you that whatever is your tax liability, including cess, it should be in the multiple of 10. If it is not in the multiple of 10, then you have to make it in the multiple of 10.
Yes,
Good.
sir. Thank
Got
you,
it?
sir.
Okay,
I got
no
it.
issues. Okay. Guys, whatever is your income, in any year, whatever you earn income tax actually categorize them into 5 different heads. We call it 5 heads of income. Generally, and now please tell me, generally how people earn income. Please tell me. Just imagine that in your family, how the income is. Don't tell me, just imagine yourself. In your family, how the income is generated. Just imagine yourself that whosoever is earning income, how they get the income. Just imagine. Okay. Have you imagined in your family how the income is
Yes, sir.
generated? Okay. In your uncle's family, your father's brother, younger brother, elder brother, just imagine in your uncle's family how the income is generated. Or in your aunt's family, just imagine, keep on imagining. In your aunt's family, how the income is generated. Aunts can be your father's sister, or she could be your mother's sister also. Imagine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Imagine your neighbor, just the person who lives on the right side of your house or left side of your house. Imagine how their income is generated. Sir, we don't know how they generate income. Still, imagine. Okay. Please tell me, is the source of income same or little bit different?
Different.
Little different.
Different.
Okay. So most of you have imagined that either they are, whether in your family, your parents, or your elder brother or elder sister, or your aunt's family, uncle's family, or your neighbor family, either some of them are getting salary income. Yes or no? You must have imagined this also, mostly. Say whether they are getting salary income, they are working in a government organization, they are getting salary, or they are working in a private organization, they are getting salary. Or you must have imagined that they are having, not if not salary, they are having some sort of business. They are having income. This is the 2 criteria which you found mostly.
Yes, sir.
Guys got it? So majorly these are our active source of income. Generally, some people have their salary income. This is one of the major source of income. And some people have their business income. They have their own business and they are getting income. This is the major source of income. So these are out of 5 categories. These are 2 categories. We have other 3 categories also. The first head of income is income under the head salary. Keep on writing with me. Please write this. Income under the head salary. Under salary. So if somebody is earning salary income, we will compute his salary income. We will compute his salary income. that how much salary he received and how much tax he has to pay. So how we compute our salary income? We have sections. Guys, just write it, don't learn right now. We have section 15 to section 17 of Income Tax Act. There are 3 sections. If somebody is earning income under the head salary, how much, let's say for example, this person is what is salary? If I ask you that what is salary? Salary is something which we receive from our employer. I believe everybody is comfortable with this word employer.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Employer
sir.
is nothing but our boss, right?
Yes, sir.
Our boss is giving us income, or the employer, the organization where we are working, they are giving us income. Guys, is it necessary, or is it, let's say somebody is getting a salary income of 70,000 per month. So how much income he is getting? 70,000 into 12. Let's say 8,40,000 in a year. It is a salary income. Is it also possible that he will be getting some bonus also during the year? Have you heard this word bonus?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let's say, for example, from where he is getting? From his employer, right? Because he's working somewhere, so he's getting a bonus. Let's say, for example, you became a chartered accountant, you join some of the company. Let's say, for example, you join KPMG and your initial salary is 70,000 per month. 70,000 into 12 is 8,40,000 is your salary income, right? Every year you get bonus also. So you get bonus, let's say of rupees 2 lakh. What do you think? Is it salary or it is not salary? What do you think? Forget about any law. Is it salary or not salary? I say yes or no. You could be right, you could be wrong, doesn't
Yes,
matter.
sir.
Okay.
Salary.
It's a part of your consideration only, so
It is a part of,
your consideration, pay consideration.
it is part of your salary package. Okay. It is part of your consideration which you receive. So it should be salary. Right now, I'm not answering you. I'm not answering this question. But yes, it might be salary. But now the question is that whether you have to pay taxes on 8,40,000 or you have to pay taxes on 2 lakh also. We don't know.
Only 8,40,000.
No, we don't know as of now, because we are not aware of these provisions. We are not aware of these provisions. So this is what we will learn in this chapter of salary, that if we receive salary of 8,40,000, that is 70,000 per month, and we receive bonus also 2 lakh rupees. Let's say, for example, this employer on Diwali or on New Year, on Christmas, he gives you gift also. He gives you an iPhone, or let's say normal phone also, of 20,000 rupees as a gift. Just answer me. It could be right, wrong. Do you think it is also a salary?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Your answer is no.
No, sir.
Okay. So he gives you a gift also. And who is giving you the gift?
Employer.
Somebody else or employer?
Employer.
Employer.
Guys, everything, even a single penny, whenever they give you as a gift, or any amount which the employer gives, why he gives you salary? Because today you are looking so smart, you came smartly dressed on Diwali occasion, so that is the reason he is giving you the gift. No, he's giving you the gift because you are their employee, just to motivate you so that you can actually be loyal to the organization. You will work efficient, you will work more efficient, you will perform better. That is the reason they give you a gift. It's not like that today you have applied such a good cream on your face and you are looking very handsome today or beautiful today. It's not like that. Why they give you gifts? Because they would like to motivate you so that you can actually perform better. Everything which we receive from employer, they are all salary. Guys, 8,40,000 is also salary. 2 lakh is also salary. Bonus is also salary. The gift which they have given to you is also salary, whether they are in cash or in kind also. But I'm just giving you this hint. I'm not going into detail, because in detail we have to do entire chapter of salary. But my next question is little important. Whether this 840 is taxable, whether that bonus of 1 lakh or 2 lakh which we have received is taxable, Whether that 20,000 gift which you have received is taxable or not, guys, these sections will going to tell us. Everybody understood? At least this
Yes,
much,
sir.
that this is one head is salary. So you will get the people who are actually practicing CA, or those people who are working also in an organization, is people will come to you and they will say, sir, actually I am working as a finance manager, I am working as a marketing manager, I am working as a purchase manager in this organization. I receive basic salary, I receive dearness allowance. Have you understood this word? Have you know this word? Have you heard this word somewhere? Dearness allowance?
Yes, sir.
What it is, I don't know. Let's say I am receiving house rent allowance also from my company. I am receiving bonus also from my company. I am receiving also because I am at a good position. So the company has also given me a 2-bedroom or a 3-bedroom flat to live in, apartment, rent-free accommodation. Have you heard about this? Some people get this facilities also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and this person might say, so he is giving that I'm getting some facilities also, and then he will say, sir, actually it's a startup, and they have given me sweat equity shares. Have you heard this word, sweat equity shares?
Yes, sir.
Have you
Yes,
heard this
sir.
word, ESOPs?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, that person will give you a list of all these things which his employer is giving it to you. So what income he's generating? Generating a salary income. And then you have to calculate a final figure that how much is his salary income. Out of that, something is taxable, something is not taxable. You will get to know after reading these sections. Are you getting an idea that what are we
Yes, sir.
doing? We are calculating his income. So it's not like salary. It's not very easy that, sir, I am receiving salary of 1 lakh rupees per month. Oh, 1 lakh into 12, 1 lakh into 12, 12 lakh is my salary. That's it. Over. No, it's not like over. So we have to see each and every component, that whatever we are receiving. So this is one category. So whatever is his salary income, these provisions will be dealing with it. This is one category of income. Then the second category of income, in fact, I'm coming to the third category first. Third category of income is your profits and gain from business. I can write business income. Business income. Here are the section. Don't write right now. Here are section 28 till 44. So whosoever is earning business income, who is having any business, any type of business. So when I asked you that, just imagine that how your family is getting income, how your uncle's family is getting income, your aunts, your neighbor is how they are generating income. So you might have also imagined that they are having some business, big business, small business, that business, that business, doesn't matter, but it should be a business. So whatever is his business income, we will not apply these provisions. These provisions are related to salary. We will apply these provisions. You don't have to remember the section number right now, but I'm telling you that how we compute a business income, it is by applying section 28 till 44. And the same thing is applicable to professional income also, business income or profession income. In income tax, I understand there is a difference between business and profession. Guys, what is the difference between business and profession? What do you know in your own words? Tell me the
Product and services.
Okay.
Business income is about
Okay.
product and sales, and professional income is about services.
Okay. So one of the differences that for business, you actually give products. If you are dealing in certain products, that's a business. But if you are a service provider, that it's a profession. Okay. One of the good difference. Can I also say that for profession, you need a particular qualification, not necessarily a qualification, but a particular skill in something, right? To be a professional, you need to be skillful, or you need to have a certain amount of qualification or degree or some training in that particular field. Let's say chartered accountant, CA, starts his own practice. What it is? Business or profession? Profession. Let's say there is a doctor. He has his clinic. Will he generate income? Yes, he will generate income. What it is? Business or profession? Profession. Let's say there is an architect. Architect has having his own office. What is it? It's a profession. Guys, I understand there is a difference between business and profession, but income tax actually doesn't differentiate between the two. They say that this is also a kind of business. Is it? Isn't it? It is also a kind of business. Why? Tell me, a doctor. What does doctor want? Let's say what a doctor actually, when doctor sets up his clinic, what he wishes that he should have more and more patients in his clinic every day. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No or yes?
Yes, sir.
When,
Yes, sir.
let's say for example, you become a chartered accountant and you would like to practice. What do you want? What is your first thing? That I should have more and more client, right? So it is, I understand it's a profession, but is it not like a kind of business also? It's kind of a business also. So that is the reason income tax don't differentiate between them. I know that you know that there is a difference between business and profession, but income tax actually combine them together. We both on both these, both type of income, we categorize in only one head. We call it profits and gains. Profits and gains from business or profession. This is called PGBP. Please write it. Short form PGBP. PGBP is a short form for profits and gains from business and profession. Guys, these are the two major heads. And when you have imagined for your father, for your parents, for your uncle and aunt, generally you find these income. Okay. Let's say, for example, Srinidhi is a chartered accountant and she is working with a company. Let's say, for example, she is working with PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers, and she is getting a salary of 1 lakh rupees per month. What type of income she is generating, Srinidhi? Everybody tell me. She's working with PwC. She became a chartered accountant. She got a job with PwC and she's getting a salary of 1 lakh per month. Which income she is having?
Salary.
Salary income. Okay. Now she is working there for 2, 3, 4 years now, and she has accumulated some good amount of investment also, and she purchased a house. And let's say, for example, this house has 2 floors. One is ground floor and this is first floor. She purchased a house, and for her family, ground floor is sufficient. First floor, she let it out at 20,000 per month. Into 12, 2,40,000 she is earning income. First of all, tell me, is it income for Srinidhi or not?
Yes, sir.
Is this 240 a salary income for Srinidhi?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No,
Is it a business for Srinidhi?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
It's not a business,
No,
right?
sir.
But let's say she has given one of the floor on rent. It's not a business, right? She's not doing any business. Morning she is going to the office, late in the evening she is coming back. So it's not a business she is doing. So she has some other income also. Let's say, for example, okay, just write it over here. Second head is called income under the head house property. House property. What is house property? House property is nothing but rental income. When you have rental income, section 22 till 27. These are the 3 heads. First category is salary income. Second is rental income. Third category is business or profession income. My question to you is, everybody, please answer this. Whether Srinidhi can have in this year all 3 types of income. Is it possible that she can earn all 3 types of income? in this year itself?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How? How? Tell me. She is working with PPWC salary. Okay. She has given one of the property on
Loads
rent,
of them
house property income. How come business?
could have any side business.
Correct. Very nice. She might be having any side business. Let's say, for example, on Saturday and Sunday, she's generally free and she has started her own consulting in his house or somewhere. So it's a profession or a business income. She can have some side business also. Yes, a person can have all these three income also. Right. Okay. Guys, when I say house property, although I will be, these are the actually 5 first chapters, main chapters. 5 heads of income. First, we will be doing salary, then we'll be doing house property, then we'll be doing PGBP. What is the full form of PGBP? Profits and gains from business or profession. So whatever the income we earn from business or profession, we categorize in this head. And when I say house property, it is not generally a house. It is generally a rental from the property. That property can also be a commercial property. It should be any building. Actually, please write it over here in house property. The main thing is building. This building can be a residential building also. This building can be a commercial building also. Let's say, for example, she has in RS Puram, Coimbatore. In RS Puram, Coimbatore, she has a shop. Srinidhi has purchased a shop and she has given this shop on rent. Possible or not?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Bhavyansh, okay? Hari, okay?
Yes, sir.
So she has a shop in the market. Let's say in RS Puram market, in RS Puram, she has a shop in Coimbatore and she has given it on rent. And let's say she is getting a rent of 50,000 rupees into 12, 6 lakh rupees in a year. What type of income it is? House property. So although the name is house property, but don't go like this that it is only house. No, it could be any building. It could be residential building also. It could be commercial building also. So whenever you get a rental income from the building, it is known as house property income. Okay. Now, is it possible? Let's say, for example, Srinidhi is having salary income. She is not having any house property. She is not having any business also. She is very much engaged in the salary in her job. And morning she goes at 9 o'clock. Late evening she comes around 7 or 8. And she doesn't have any time for purchasing this property or let's say business. But she purchased some shares. Is it possible that she can invest in some shares?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
say, for example, she has purchased shares of any company. Tell me any company, Srinidhi, or anyone.
Infosys.
Okay. She purchased Infosys shares. Let's say she purchased 100 shares of Infosys. I don't know what's the rate right now, but let's say it is 350 rupees. She purchased shares, 100 shares of 350 rupees. Okay, 1000 shares. She has purchased for 350 rupees. And she purchased it some few months back, 1 or 2, 3, 4 months back. And now she's selling it. Why? Because the price has been increased from 350 to 430 rupees. She purchased it for 350. She sold it for 430. How much profit she has made on one share? 80 rupees. Everybody's okay with this example?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And on 1000 shares, how much profit she has made?
80,000.
80,000 rupees. Okay. So she has purchased the shares and she has sold the share, and on this transaction, she has made a profit of 80,000 rupees. Guys, I want to know whether it is a salary income. Just
No,
tell me
sir.
yes or no.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Everybody's okay with this? It's not a salary income? Vidhi, Swarnika, Surya, Bhavansh, is it a salary income? No.
No, sir.
Is it a rental income?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is it a business?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, she is not doing it. She has just she has just done an investment and she has earned the money. So whenever you sell your shares, what is shares for her, Srinidhi? It's a liability for her or it's an asset for her? It's an investment. So what it is? It's an asset for her.
Yes, sir.
Right? Whenever we purchase shares, it is our investment, it is our assets. Same way, can she purchase debentures also? Yes. She has sold debentures, she has made some money. What is debentures for her? Debenture is an asset for her. Is it possible that she has purchased a house of rupees 35 lakh 1 or 2 years back? She has purchased a house of 35 lakh and it got appreciated, and now she is selling. In this year she sold it for 50 lakh. How much money she has made?
15 lakhs.
15 lakh. Guys, what type of income it is? She sold a house.
Capital gain. Capital
Is it
gain.
a house property income? No. House property is what? Rental income. It's not rental. She has sold the house property. So what is shares? Shares is an asset. What is debentures? Debenture is an asset for her. What is house? House is an asset for her. Gold. She has purchased gold, and after few days, few months, few years, she is selling it and she has made some profit. So what is it? These are all assets. So whenever we sell our assets and we have actually gained or lost something, so that is very nice. You are telling me capital gain. So the fourth head is capital gain. Here, section is 45 till 55. These are our main chapters. This is the first main chapter: salary, house property, PGBP, capital gains. And guys, there are so many other types of income which cannot be categorized over here. For that, we have a residuary head. Residuary means remaining, which is known as income from other sources. Section 56 till 15. All the income will go in IFOS. We call it IFOS, short form IFOS. I give you an example of IFOS. Okay, she has purchased shares. She has earned dividend on it. You all understand what is dividend, right?
Yes,
Dividend
sir.
income. She has sold the shares. No, she has not sold the shares. She is holding the shares of Infosys, and Infosys company has paid her dividend. Let's say 10,000 rupees they have paid dividend. Please tell me, dividend is salary? No. Is dividend a house property income? No. Is dividend is a business income? No. Is dividend capital gain?
No.
Guys, what is capital gain?
An
Capital gain
asset
is
of
whenever we
growth.
sell our assets. That is called capital gain. It will be, all other income will go in IFOS. Let's say, for example, she wins a lottery. Is it possible that she wins a lottery? Yes. What is lottery income? Is it a salary? No. It is house property? No. It is business? No. Is it a capital gain? We have not sold any asset. It will go in IFOS, income from other sources. So I am just wrapping up right now. I'll be telling you more about it tomorrow. But before you leave, just write 2 questions and give these answers to me tomorrow. Quickly, question number 1. Compute tax liability. Guys, whenever you compute tax liability, please don't forget to add 4% cess also. And if it is not round off, please you have to do the round off also. Compute tax liability of Mr. X. His income is 19,12,460 rupees. Question number 2. Compute tax liability of Mr. Y. His income is 30,12,970 rupees. You have to do these questions and I will give you the answers tomorrow.
So are we supposed to share the answers?
If you want, you can share the answer in the group, but otherwise I'll discuss this tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Okay,
Take
sir.
care. See you tomorrow
Thank you,
at
sir.
7:30.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye, guys.
Thank you, sir.
by everyone.